Hi everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This vehicle comes in a red exterior with a black interior. Got some accent stitching as well as that wood grain trim finish as well. Really sharp. Sunroof. Blind spot assist. Come around to the back here. Get your Jeep 4x4 badging. And we do have a power opening and closing trunk. There we go. Alright. Lots of trunk space back here. And you can always fold down those rear seats if you need. And push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats. You can see that accent trim and stitching here again. Do have a premium Macintosh speaker system throughout. Rear climate control. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. Taking a look at our driver's side now. Here's our driver door controls. Do have memory seats here. Driver seat controls. Driver seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. And hopping inside. Mileage currently at 1,144. We have a push button ignition. And this is a very robust touchscreen display. Lots of functionality here. You can see our navigation. Radio, backup camera. Below that we have climate controls here, heated seats, ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Below this we have our shifter, turn dial style. You also can adjust your chassis height as well as different traction modes here. Now, if you're interested in seeing any photos or getting additional information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.